Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen pattern to your smartphone. In such case, if you cannot remember the pattern that you used last time to access your device, the best decision would be to contact Samsung customer support service to prove the ownership of this device to them, for example by showing them a receipt from the store where you bought this phone, and then once you do that, you'll be able to regain access to your device, and the customer support service will help you with that without removing any data from your phone, which is why I consider it the best option for you in such a situation. Alternatively, you can perform a factory reset operation on your phone, and you can do this both locally and remotely. And in order to do this remotely, you have to use any other device that you have. Open a web browser on it, open the search engine and search for the Find Hub service on Google. Open it, and then you'll be able to find your device in the devices list. Just select it, then select factory reset operation. Select your device, then select factory reset device, and once your device is reset to the default settings, you'll be able to set it up once again and regain access to it. Of course, this operation will remove all data from your smartphone, but this is not the only way. If you don't have a Google account on your device, then the other option of factory reset will be performing it through the recovery mode. And if you don't know how to access the recovery mode on the smartphone, we have an entire video on our channel explaining the factory reset operation through recovery mode on this phone step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out that video on our channel, and once your device is reset, you'll be able to regain access to it. Now, in case you do remember your screen lock pattern or lock screen pattern, but this screen simply doesn't accept it, well, in such case you can simply enter the safe mode by pressing the volume down key and the power button at the same time until you see these options on your screen. Hold down power off option until you see the safe mode. Okay, it didn't happen for me to me the last time, but seemingly we have to actually draw the pattern to turn off the phone. So instead, let's hold down the volume down and power button until the phone turns off itself. Then wait until the logo, Samsung logo, appears on your screen. And once it appears on your screen, I'll have to hold down the volume down button and wait until your device puts into the safe mode. And what's the reason for that is actually simple. So first let's hold down the power button until the phone starts turning on, and then just wait for the Samsung logo to appear on your screen. Okay, it's taken longer than I expect. Okay, and right now hold down the volume down button and wait until your device is in the safe mode. In the safe mode, there are no applications that affect the way your lock screen behaves. Therefore, if you entering the correct PIN code, you'll be able to gain access to your phone using it, and then simply remove it. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, once the safe mode indicator appears on your screen, again we did it by restarting the phone and holding down the volume down key while after the logo of Samsung logo appeared on the screen. So right now, in the safe mode, try using your lock screen pattern, and if you succeed entering to accessing your device, then go to settings, then go to display, security and privacy, go to lock screen, screen lock, enter your pattern once again, and then let's select none right here. Now all we have to do is restart the phone by holding down the volume down key and power options. Select restart and wait until your phone is rebooted. After that, you will regain access to your device once again. Now I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.